Welcome to Asyn Code. What's up, guys? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Import necessary libraries. Importing the Selenium.WebDriver module for browser interaction. Importing by to locate elements on the web page by different strategies like class_name, ID, etc. Importing keys to send keyboard inputs, e.g. for forms or search. Importing WebDriver wait to wait for elements to load, avoiding timing issues. Importing expected conditions (EC) to check conditions before performing actions on elements. Importing time for controlling delays in execution, useful for observing outputs. Set up the Selenium WebDriver. Initialize the Chrome WebDriver. The path to the Chrome driver executable must be provided. Replace path_to_Chrome driver with your actual path. Replace with the path to your Chrome driver. Step 1. Open the login page. Opening the login page URL where we will enter the username and password. Replace with the actual login page URL. Step 2. Fill in login credentials. Find the input fields for the username and password using their name or ID attribute. In this example, we assume that the login page has username and password fields. Locate username input field. Locate password input field. Step 3. Enter the credentials. Send the username and password to the respective input fields. Replace with your actual username. Replace with your actual password. Step 4. Submit the login form. After entering the credentials, we simulate pressing the Enter key to submit the form. Press Enter to submit the form. Step 5. Wait for successful login. After submitting the form, wait until we see a specific element that confirms we're logged in. This element could be a profile picture, username display, or a specific page content that shows up after login. Wait for up to 10 seconds for the condition. Example of waiting for a profile class to appear. Step 6. Navigate to the quotes page. After successful login, we proceed to navigate to the quotes page or another relevant page for scraping. Replace with the target page URL. Step 7. Wait for the page to load. Wait until at least one element with the class quote is present on the page. This ensures that we don't try to interact with the page before it's fully loaded. Wait for the quote class to appear. Step 8. Extract data from the page. After the page is loaded, we locate all the quote elements on the page. Each quote is contained in a quote class, which we can select. Find all elements with class quote. Iterate over each quote and extract the text and the author's name. Get the quote text by locating the element with the class text inside the quote element. Get the author's name by locating the element with the class author inside the quote element. Print the extracted quote and author to the console. Step 9. Handle pagination. Move to next page. Sometimes, web pages have multiple pages, pagination. In this section, we look for the next button to go to the next page. Find the next button on the current page, which allows us to navigate to the next page. Locate the next button using its class. Click on the next button to move to the next page. Wait for the next page to load, again checking for the presence of quote elements. Wait until quotes appear on the new page. Scrape the quotes from the next page. Print the quotes and authors again from the new page. If there is no next button, we are on the last page. Handle the exception. Step 10. Close the browser. Give some time to observe the output before closing the browser. Wait for 5 seconds. Close the browser window once done with scraping. Close the browser and clean up the WebDriver session. Now run our code. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.